Do you know what my favourite song is? It's not the radio, it's nature's greatest hits, bird song. Hi Bush Buddies and welcome to Wing Wonders of Adelaide.
Wing Wonders of Adelaide.
I'm your guide Lucy and today we'll be winging our way through the wonderful woodland birds living in Adelaide's Mount Lofty ranges. Oh, hi there little friend. Oh, wow. Did you know there's around 800 species of birds in Australia? And nearly half of those can only be found right here in Australia. We can't go through all those birds today, as that would take a really long time. But we can meet 3 very special wing wonders living right here in the Adelaide region. So grab your pretend binoculars, your quiet voice, and follow me. Let's go. Look, it's the Superb Fairy-wren, the Diamond Firetail, and the Bassian Thrush. These birds are so different. Their colourful feathers aren't just super cool. They're like their superhero cape, helping them to blend into their surroundings, finding food and hiding from sneaky predators like cats, meow, and foxes. First up, it's the Superb Fairy-wren. This is one of the smaller birds in Australia and weighs about the same as a dollar coin, and it likes to hop and flap about. Wow! There goes the Diamond Firetail. With its fiery beak and rump, it sure lives up to its name. Is that a pile of leaves or a Bassian Thrush? Oh, it is you, Bassian. You are so good at playing hide and seek with those lovely feathers. Why don't we get to know our birds a little better with a song? Let's get ready to sing and dance about, Wing Wanderers. Follow me.
Coo-wee! Who's in the tree? Hear that bird singing back at me. Coo-wee! What's on the ground? Hear that bird rustling around. Coo-wee! 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 Sing quietly. It's the teeny tiny short wing Superb Fairy-wren, with straight feathers found in its tail, fluttering now and then. Females are grey, white with brown red superb masks. The males look different with some striking blue parts. Wow! Coo-wee! Who's in the tree? Hear that bird singing back at me. Coo-wee! What's on the ground? Hear that bird rustling around. Coo-wee! 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 Sing quietly. Stunning diamond firetails in pairs, rustling around, pecking ripe seeds on the shrubby, moist ground. Finches grey, black ash brown, white spotted streaks, a crimson rump, coral eyes and red beak. Coo-wee! Coo-wee! Who's in the tree? Hear that bird singing back at me. Coo-wee! What's on the ground? Hear that bird rustling around. Coo-wee! 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 Sing quietly.
why birds are so amazing? They're like watching nature's greatest TV show. Their feathers fill the sky with vibrant colours, and their sounds are like the greatest musical hits ever. If you're super duper quiet, you might catch them finding food, building nests, or playing with their mates. Ow! They also help us by eating mosquitoes, and they help nature by eating seeds from different plants. Then when they fly off, they pop out the seed and a new plant grows. Ooh! And it's good luck if a bird poops on you. So I've been told. Just like butterflies, birds are amazing pollinators, helping flowers to bloom. And they love to crunch and munch on tiny insects and little rodents, helping to keep nature in balance. Whoa!
Whoa! Hang on a second. Where did all the birds go? Oh no, I know why it's so quiet. There's not enough trees and bushes. Many of their homes are being cleared for things like houses, roads and shops. And we need those things, but we also need to help nature bring the balance back. But guess what? You can make a big difference, even in your own backyards.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll find out how we can bring birds back to our neighbourhoods. See you soon, Wing Wanderers.